cool car, Red. Where did you get it? I think Cinderella wants to play with it too. Hey! Stop fighting! You're gonna break it! Uh-oh! It's out of control! You have to help her, Cinderella! The vase! Careful, Beast! What a mess! Oh no! It's gonna break everything! It's heading towards Glub Glub! She's gonna crash! I think you're in trouble, girls. It was Belle's car! No! You have to clean this mess.
Nothing good on TV, girls? Wow! A horror movie! It looks so spooky! Hey, Snow White, where are you going? That's right! A movie is always better with popcorn! Hurry up, or you're going to miss the entire film! Come on, it's taking so long! Popcorn is ready! Now the show can go on! Where did all the popcorn go? No way! Did you eat all the popcorn already? That's a lot of popcorn, Little Mermaid. Quick! You're going to miss the film. Popcorn has arrived. It's your turn, Aurora. That's a crazy amount of popcorn, Aurora. You have to be really careful. Aurora, wake up. Uh-oh. I guess it wasn't a good idea to leave Aurora in charge.